ES Trade Recap April the 21st. Today I'm down $180. Had 4 trades overall, 2 longs, 2 shorts, and they haven't been that bad. But yeah, overall the market just didn't give me what I wanted to see. And let's dive into the expectancy today. So I had like some areas drawn out based on the cumulative volume profile up here, which have been like this one here as a first potential area of holding out. And then yeah, like some areas around here, you can see the low volume areas here, and then also some, yeah, apart from that I didn't took any more trades, because then I said, okay, if they want to collapse that far down, I don't really know what to do. That was my thinking process behind all of that today. So the first trade I've taken was this one here. Why we had like a crazy or a good sell-off during the RTH beginning, during the first hour, and then they were able to regain those higher prices. And I thought, okay, big seller here, oversold signals here, CVD dropping, CVD, yeah, kind of neutral. And I thought, okay, maybe like price wants to revert. Huge negative, not huge, but some negative delta in this area here. And I said, okay, I want to go long from here. And yeah, they just stopped me out. And instead they rallied lower, had like a 6 point on. The reason why I have like a loss of $180 right now is because I'm trading on a different prop account, and I said, okay, I want to trade this more aggressive, if you can name it as that, and not trading my regular 3 other copy traded prop accounts. And then they had like this massive sell-off here, which was pretty quick, and that was why I've taken this breakout trade here with a 6 point stop. And yeah, it wasn't looking too bad at a certain degree, but after I saw those buyers stepping in, I said, okay, I want to put my stop loss to break even here. Was a good idea. And then from there on, they held like this low, came back to this area. And if you can properly remember from earlier, this here was this here. I thought they want to break lower from here and will get absorbed up here. And I had like the expectancy for them to hold this area. If they can get above it, they did. They were in profit to a certain degree, like 4.5 points. And then I put my stop loss to break even. Why, I'm gonna show you then on the footprint as well. You can see it here, huge positive delta, got like heavily absorbed from passive selling, and ultimately they failed and got lower and lower with the price. And then they were like balancing around into this meaningful area, made like a lower low from this one here. You can consider this as a lower high, and I said, okay, maybe like the entry wasn't the best one. I want to be in this short here. Had like a 6 point stop above here, got like absolutely top ticked. You can see top ticked before the move happened. And that was the fourth trade today, and that was the last one. So overall 2 losses and 2 break even, 3 short, 2 short, 2 long. And yeah, from there on, you can see I had like this lower, not like a lower low here, but they had like some pretty heavy selling absorbed in these lows, had like a good bit, but ultimately they failed. They were shaping this crazy lower low, lower high structure. And yeah, that was it for today, and let's see us tomorrow.